Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm going to show you Jarvis again. Why Jarvis? So yesterday I just checked out my videos J.A.R.V.I.S and a lot of video J.A.R.V.I.S got Arduino for beginners and Jarvis. Thank you for supporting me, and you will support me and I will make it greatest videos, alright, for you. And now before starting video I wanna say you to subscribe and put like to my channel, and we're gonna start the second chapter of Jarvis. Alright guys, I entered to the Jarvis application now. As you can see, if you watched my first Jarvis video you will understand, but if you didn't, I recommend you to watch Jarvis. Today, why I'm just showing this Jarvis again if this is the same thing? No, this is not same. I added the new neural system to the Jarvis, so now Jarvis is available to move automatically my mouse. Can you imagine that? Jarvis now can automatically move my mouse. And now I have here the 7 commands which I put down to my paper to ask from Jarvis. Are you ready, guys? If you are ready, if you subscribed, if you put like, so now the thing which you have to do is just take a comfortable position and we're gonna start.
Initializing Jarvis.
Great. I'm gonna just make
Starting all systems applications. Installing and checking all drivers.
Great.
Calibrating and examining all the core processors. Checking the internet connection. Wait a moment, sir. All drivers are up and running. All systems have been activated. Neural system connected with computer. Now I am online. Good evening. Currently it is 21 hours 28 minutes and 13 seconds. I am Jarvis. Online and ready, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Who is your inventor?
Sir, I have been created by Abdullah.
Windows calculator.
Going to the Windows calculator.
Look, I didn't touch anything.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Sir, it's honor for me.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna prove you that I didn't touch my mouse. Look, this is my hand and this is my mouse. I put the mouse here, and now I'm gonna start the program again and we'll ask the Windows settings system again in order to prove you that I didn't touch any mouse. So you know, the majority of people will think that if it doesn't show me that the mouse, that means that he's just moving the mouse. No, look at this now. I'm starting this application.
Initializing Jarvis.
Great.
Starting all systems applications. Installing and checking all drivers. Calibrating and examining all the core processors. Checking the internet connection. Wait a moment, sir. All drivers are up and running. All systems have been activated. Neural system connected with computer. Now I am online. Good evening. Currently it is 21 hours 41 minutes and 59 seconds. I am Jarvis. Online and ready, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Windows settings.
Moving to the Windows settings.
Great, look. I didn't touch anything.
Where you want me to enter?
Accounts.
Moving to the account settings.
Look. Great. Thank you.
Sir, it's honor for me.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna continue and I'm going to the application again, then I will show you the other commands. So I just in a couple minutes ago I just proved to you that that was me actually, you know. Because if I could not prove you that that was me, a lot of people would think that he's cheating, man. And now, yes, my camera is not good. I have my phone camera and I still have my phone camera, and I don't have a great camera, but I promise you that in the future I'm gonna buy the good qualitative camera and will make a qualitative videos. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the other comments, and let's go. Clean recycle bin. Alright, we're still waiting. Let's just look at the condition. Clean recycle bin. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go off from application and start again because I have really the weak internet connection. So it depends on internet connection. If you have a very good internet connection, you will never have these kind of problems. I'm going to start it again. Try it again. Clean recycle bin.
Cleaning recycle bin.
Wow.
Recycle bin successfully cleaned.
Thank you, Jarvis.
Sir, it's honor for me.
Windows voice 15%.
Scrolling voice to 15%.
Wow. Alright guys, we've got one problem again, and the problem is that we got some wrong coordinates. So some of you will tell, oh Jesus, he's making mistakes, and do you know why I'm making a mistake every time? Because we're making a mistake together, and every unsuccessful experiment takes you one step closer to your goal. And I want everyone to be successful. And so that's why I'm making a lot of mistakes to show you that how to solve these mistakes. So I just opened the coordinate wire, and now I'm just gonna exit and start the application again, and let's check the result up. Windows voice 15%. Guys, we've got an internet problem, and I'm just say this again. Windows voice 15%. Wow, I've got some problem. Alright guys, so it's not problem for me. I'm just gonna try it again. Alright, great. Windows voice 15%.
Scrolling voice to 15%.
Windows voice 45%.
Scrolling voice to 45%.
Scrolling voice. Thank you, Jarvis. Alright guys, we have a bad internet connection, so that's why it reacts very late. But I'm gonna solve the problem. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just invent a new neural system which will catch the weak signals of the internet.
Sir, it's honor for me.
Alright. go to the Windows. As you can see, guys, but I'm gonna just solve it. So I opened the project for you and working. My goal is not just making something, the thing which is already ready. My goal is doing the thing.
Moving to the Windows. Moving to the Windows.
And solve the problem. Windows calculator. Alright guys, I already opened it, but I want to just check the app again. And then we have, and that's all guys. Looks like, yeah, that's all. That was the last code, last command. Then I'm gonna talk with you a little bit, alright? I'm gonna talk about these problems. I'm gonna talk about the JARVIS, how I will just do it, and all about this stuff. Alright guys, so looks like program stopped because we have a weak internet connection, as I said, and I'm gonna do the best for you and more for you. So what I wanted to say, that I can make some project which is already ready, but I want to do that and make it to show you all mistakes which is can programmer make. It's okay. You can't find in the world the people who didn't do the mistake. Doing mistakes is good. And as you can see, the Thomas Edison made 1,000 unsuccessful experiment, but 1001 was success. And I want to show you that making mistake is good. In my video, you not only get information, you're getting motivation too. So my goal is teach you not to give the, information which already exists, or make something ready and show you without mistake. No. My goal is make mistake at you and show you how mistakes, which kind of mistakes you can do, and you can now, with working with me, solve your mistakes. And in the future I will have some live tutorials where I will explain you how you can avoid the worst mistakes, or how you can avoid make the regular mistakes which is making by the programmer. Program is that, so you have to be a little bit attentively, alright? So I'm not sure that I'm attentive. I'm just a little bit lose attention when the time comes to make a video for you. I just so excited. I say, Jesus, what's gonna happen when the people will look at my video? What are they gonna say? And I think that you loved my video. And this channel is not for enjoying. This channel is teaching channel. This channel will teach you a lot, so you can take a paper and some pen and put down the chief information which I tell you, and get started with Python. So it's a great programmer, and know that I started from 0 too, and look what I achieved. I made my own assistant JARVIS, and I'm not available to share it with you because it's my biggest project. But in the future, maybe, alright? I don't say that I will, but maybe I will show you. So I will, look, if you will watch my video, I think I showed you the text-to-speech video, alright, which is already banned. I don't know why, but YouTube thinks that this is a copyright. So, well, I'm just gonna tell about this thing later. But now I want to say that if you will watch the text-to-speech video, you will get some information from there. Alright guys, I want to finish, and before finishing video, I want you to support me, put like to my video and subscribe to my